and now here I am, and the house is sold in, a month, and so.
Sometimes all it takes is the right agent. Sold in 1 month after switching agents.
All right, we're here with Ben, who just sold his house. Congratulations, Ben, for selling your home.
Yeah, thank you, Rochelle.
Exciting step for you.
It is, yeah.
First time selling your home?
Yes. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep.
Tell me a little bit about the process of selling your home.
Yeah, well, I mean, I was with a different agent, and I didn't seem to have any.
When communication broke down with his first agent, Ben knew something had to change.
Any luck with them, and there was poor communication too with them. I'd always have to reach out to them and see if there was any interest or any showings or anything like that. And even when we took it off the market for a little bit and I started getting calls from other agents, I reached out to him and I said, "Hey, what's going on with this?" And he said, "Oh, that'll happen. Stick with me." And I did answer the call with Rochelle, and she was very, very nice, and we had probably a half-hour chat about my house and just kind of where it was at. And
after just one conversation with Rochelle, Ben saw a new level of marketing, care, and results.
She told me all the different marketing things she could do in addition to what he was doing, and then just all the houses she was selling and compared to what he had, his volume and everything. And I was sold. So because I had already moved and I wanted to, have this house sold. So I went with Rochelle, and things improved. A lot more showings, a lot more communication, and now here I am, and the house is sold in a month, and so.
From frustration to celebration, Ben's home sold in 1 month with Rochelle Roesler.
Big improvement going with Rochelle, and so I appreciate everything she's done, and
Great. So pretty much an easy process the second time around.
Yeah, definitely.
For the most part.
Yeah, especially with not living here in Fargo anymore, I'd already been in Minnetonka since October, so she made the process of not being in my actual house a lot easier. Just with the snow removal stuff and the updates and things like that, in case I needed to come up and take care of any of that, and that was a lot easier as well.
Was there anything specifically you're looking for in an agent the first time versus the second time around?
So the first time around, I guess I just went with the same person who helped me buy my house, since I knew him, and this was the first house I had ever bought and was trying to sell. So I just went with what I knew, because I'm pretty new and young into this house thing. So yeah, I just went with what I knew, and I liked that he was also my age. He was a year or two older than me, so I liked that. But I learned very quickly that those things don't really matter. It's about the knowledge and everything like that of how many houses and things and experience that you have, and compared to an up and comer.
So any recommendations or suggestions to somebody who has tried to sell their house and the agent has failed to sell it, and what recommendations or strategies would you advise them?
Yeah, I guess I would say, you're at the end of the day, you're your own seller, so listen to what
If your home isn't selling, don't stay stuck. You have options.
You think is best. I mean, if the first agent you're with is telling you to stick with them, don't maybe take that to heart, and shop elsewhere. And if you think that that's going to help sell your house by moving on to somebody else, then definitely do it if you think it's in your best interest.
Get a second opinion. That makes a good business decision.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, it's it's your decision, and you want what's best for you. So
exactly, it is a business decision.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yep.
All right. Well, congratulations, Ben, for selling your home. Congratulations.
Yes. Yeah.
And good luck in your next adventure.
Yeah, thank you.
Sounds good. Thank you, Ben.
Yep.
Selling your home is a business decision. Choose an agent who gets results.
Of Rochelle Roesler. Call 218-979-1722 at Century 21 FM Realty today for a partnership built on trust and excellence.